Let's talk a little bit about Virginia creeper. Virginia creeper is a native perennial woody vine. It has 5 leaflets. 5 leaflets, not 3. If it had 3 leaflets, it would be poison ivy. So again, this has 5 leaflets, Virginia creeper. It has beautiful fall foliage, as you can well see. It has little adhesive discs on its tendrils, which allows it to stick to just about any surface. It will develop a fruit, and of course the birds and the wildlife enjoy the fruit. It grows in full sun and full shade. Can be used as a ground cover as well. But if you're having problem with Virginia creeper, here's what you do. Just mow it, pull it, get your weed eater out and just knock it out that way. No need to use any chemicals. So again, Virginia creeper, 5 leaflets, not 3. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.